In 1903, a young woman named Mary Anderson faced a problem that seemed insurmountable. Driving through a snowstorm in New York, she struggled to see through her car's windshield. Instead of giving up, she invented the windshield wiper, a device that would change driving forever. Despite initial skepticism, her invention was patented and eventually became standard in all vehicles. How often do we overlook simple solutions to complex problems? Mary's determination and ingenuity remind us that obstacles can be opportunities in disguise. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.